Good morning, and welcome to the January 12th edition of Wealth Church. I am not a licensed financial advisor. I'm a mathematically challenged dyslexic kindergarten dropout, and today's video is for educational, entertainment, and inspirational purposes only. Well, I've been busy today a little bit. I sold my Lucid at 46.10 for a slight profit. I had 9 shares. I put in a limit buy for 10 shares at $30. That and some dividends, and I put in a little money from working hard and living behind my means yesterday. And I bought a little bit of Global Net Lease, Palantir, ARC Q, G, and F, Desktop Metals, Nano Dimensions, and HMLP. It's a pipeline company I owned for quite some time. I had bought in mostly for around $10. It had gone up to $18. I had a pretty good stock of shares in there. It was paying a dividend of $50.16. Then they lost their financing on one of their big deals, and they cut the dividend to $1.36. And while I wasn't looking at the time that this news came out, and so the stock price had dropped down to like $10.45. So I had already lost my money, so I stayed in. I bought a little more today, and I bought a little more here and there. And recently, they raised their dividend from the $1.36 to $1.43, which gives me some hope that they might get that debt paid off or maybe get some new financing soon, and that my dividend will go back up to, if they pay off the debt and then start paying the dividend again, the dividend would be higher than the 50.16, depending, of course, on other profit things, because it had been in that area, but it had been just going up, really. And then I did buy a little more Tattooed Chef, TTCF. Because I think this is going to be a tough year in the market. It's going to be very volatile, and if the economy stays good, the Fed's going to keep raising interest rates and pulling money out. And so the easy, high-flying market days aren't this year, but there will be a lot of good buying opportunities. And I'm into the high-flying stocks that I'm in for them for the long term. So I don't care if Tattooed Chef, Nano Dimensions, ChargePoint goes down short term. I believe that these companies will, in the long term, be big, and I will get a big payoff in 5 years, a bigger one in 20 years. That these, in the future, will be very high-paying companies. That I will do good. So losing money short term is not a deal for me. Mostly, I invest for the rest of my life. I do swing trades, as you see. I just swung Lucid because I think it's going to come back down, especially this year. So that's kind of what I did today. And I didn't put all my money that I had in my account in today. I left a little powder dry. Not as much as most people that are serious investors. That's what I did. So be kind, be helpful, live below your means, invest the difference. Peace out. Love you. Later.